When parking your truck for more than a week, a series of preparations needs to be made. Put the gearbox in neutral and apply the parking brake. Ideally, the traction battery should have about 20% state of charge left when parking the truck. You will need to tilt the cab, so check that there are no loose objects in the cab. Remember to remove the key. The door should be either completely open or firmly shut. Flip up the chassis switch. Check that there is enough room in front of and above your truck to tilt the cab. To avoid damage, open the service cover before tilting the cab. Turn the control of the tilting pump clockwise to the stop position and start tilting the cab using the pump lever. When the cab is fully tilted, loosen the 4 wing nuts on the 24-volt battery cover and remove it. Disconnect the cable from the negative pole. Make sure that the cable cannot end up against the pole again. Put the battery cover in place again. To tilt the cab back, turn the control of the tilting pump counterclockwise to its starting position again, and pump until you hear a click from the cab lock. Then, pump 10 more times. Your truck is now ready for long-term parking. Do not connect your truck to a charger during the long-term parking. Before starting to use your truck again, repeat the cab tilting procedure. Remove the 24-volt battery cover and reconnect the loose cable to the negative pole. Reconnect the cable with a determined motion to minimize the risk of an arc. Put the battery cover in place and fix the cover with the wing nuts. Finally, tilt back the cab. Flip down the chassis switch again. If the temperature is below -10 degrees Celsius, connect charging to the traction batteries at least 12 hours before operation.